Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Gmail account password. So to change your Gmail account password, it's actually pretty simple. However, it isn't changing your Gmail account password, but your Google account password because Gmail is just used through your Google account. So when you change your Gmail account password, it's actually change your Google account password. But to change it, it's really simple. So first things first, if you're on Gmail, you want to click on your profile picture right here, the top right corner. It's going to bring up this page. It's also going to show you any other emails that you have signed in. What you want to do, you want to click on manage your Google account right here, right below where your normal account is. Once you click manage your Google account, it's going to bring you to the Google account page. So once you're on this page here, it's myaccount.google.com. You're going to want to look for the option that says security on the left hand side of the screen. It should have a little lock next to it, as you can see here. Once you find security, go ahead and click on it. And then from here on security page, you want to scroll down until you see the option for password, as you can see right here. It's it's in the how you sign into Google subsection. And once you find the password, what you're going to want to do here, you're going to want to click on password. And then once you click on password, you might have to put in your old password. It looks like I don't have to put it in right now. But if you haven't put in your old password, then you're going to have to put it in real quick. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page here where you can actually create a new password. So you can put in what your new password should be. So whatever you want it to be. And once you do it, you're going to want to put in the same thing right here. And then once you do that, you can just click change password and that will change your password on Gmail. It will also change it for any other Google apps that you have, however, such as Google Calendar, Google Maps, all that, all the shebang, the whole shebang. But that is how you change your Gmail account password. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.